everyone, welcome to the channel 10 days, 10 games, 10 challenges. If you are new to our channel, a cash prize contest alert to you. We are conducting a great cash prize contest through all over the India. For more details, check the description link. And for participation, message to our Instagram ID 10 days, 10 games, 10 challenges. Yesterday was a history recreated by Indian team players at Lord's and a good nail-biting thriller game for cricket and sports lovers. What a cracking win to Indian team and that's wrap to the Lord's Test. It was an outstanding game between India vs England on day 5, Test 2, and both teams turns to dominate and India did a little bit extra on day 5. So let's have a quick review on Test 2 between world number 2 and number 4 Test team, which is India vs England. In first innings, both teams' batsmen showed their desperate knocks. A great knock by Indians openers KL Rahul and Rohit Sharma as the lead for a opening partnership 126, and a fine knock from Rahul comes to end by Sibley bowling. And finally, in first innings, KL departs with 129 runs of 250 balls and Rohit Sharma had scored 83 of 45 balls with a 57 strike rate. And a quite good knock from Indians skipper Kohli. Kohli departs for 42 runs and Jadoo departs for 40, and finally India scored 364 in first innings. It was a magnificent knocks by Indian batsmen in first innings, but Indian bowlers failed to keep that momentum. They faced difficulties in breaking England's partnership. England captain Joe Root had scored 180 runs and become a huge threat to Indian bowlers. And at end of a first innings, Indian bowlers had failed to dismiss Joe Root. But the good news for Indian bowlers is that England low-order batsmen failed to maintain a partnership with Joe Root, which finally ends with a score of 394. So at the end of a first innings, England made their lead by 27 runs and the second innings was totally opposite to that of first innings. In second innings, both team bowlers take their momentum. England bowlers spiritually fought for their victory and dismissed India's top order as soon as, but they failed to break partnership between Shami and Bumrah. It was a key point and turning point in final day. Shami stands knotted for 56 and Bumrah stands for 34 runs. It was a good low scoring partnership. Also, India makes a quite good knocks like Rahane scored 61 runs, and on final day India made 298 runs on the board with 8 wickets down. And finally on day 5, England needs 271 runs of 60 overs for a win and India needs 10 wickets in 60 overs to make a win. And on that moment, Indian bowlers and team showed a spirit to fight, which makes Siraj makes 4 wickets down and Bumrah makes 3 wickets on day 5 of second test. And England batsmen can't face a magnificent delivers from Indian bowlers as that was a final result. India won by 151 runs and leads 1-0. What a historic moment for India. They beated England at their home ground. What a day, and history is recreated on day 5 of a Test 2 and Test 3 is going to start from 25th August. So we will discuss about that in the upcoming days, and the next video we will discuss about the schedule for our World Cup 2021. And dear viewers, your subscription is secret of your energy, so do subscribe for more entertaining and exclusive gaming challenges and sports reviews. Thanks for watching.